Hi everyone, welcome back. For lunch I will be making a mahi-mahi rice bowl. Let's get started. After rinsing my fish, I went ahead pat dry. Now I'm gonna go ahead grease it down on both sides just so that the seasoning can adhere to the fish. Then we're gonna go ahead and use our blackening seasoning. Unfortunately, I have a small amount left in my jar, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use the same ingredients that is listed on it and combine them. Starting off with the paprika, and we only have 3 pieces of fish, so we don't need to use a lot. Next, I'm gonna add some chili powder. To that, I'm gonna add some red chili flakes, and if you don't want it spicy, you can leave out the chili flakes. I'm also adding some black pepper, some salt. I'm adding some onion powder and garlic powder. The garlic powder that I'm using, it's salt free and it has herbs in there. And I'm also going to add a pinch of turmeric just to add a little color to the fish. Alright, that's totally optional. You can leave it out if you don't want to. So now I'm going to go ahead, combine all my spices, and I'm going to put this in the refrigerator to marinate because I'm not ready to cook. You can go ahead and cook it right away if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and rub the seasoning in on both sides. So I'm going to save back some of my seasoning to use on my veggies when I'm ready to saute them. So I was going to have this for lunch, so I just wrap it up, place it in the refrigerator for about 3 hours. So we're going to keep the stove on medium to high heat, and I'm going to sear each side for at least 4 minutes. It should be nice and flaky and properly cooked. Now that they're nicely seared on both sides, we're going to remove them. I'm going to drain out the excess oil, and I'm going to proceed to making a sauce. For the sauce, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter. Once my butter is melted, I'm going to add some garlic. I will saute my garlic on medium heat because I don't want them to burn. Then I'm going to also add some lemon juice. I'm adding some broth, whichever broth you have. If you're making this exact sauce, add whatever broth you have at hand, alright? If you don't have any broth, use some white wine. Either one will do. Then I'm going to go ahead and add a slice of lemon. I have some red habanero pepper. It's not spicy at all. It's just to add color to my plate. And I add some chopped parsley as well. I'm going to remove some of my sauce to sprinkle on my fish, and I will use the remaining sauce to saute my veggies. Whichever veggies you want to add to your rice bowl, that's totally fine. I have some zucchini and I also have some mixed vegetables, and that's what I'll be using. I'm adding some of that same seasoning that I put together on my zucchinis. Oh my god, these zucchinis were so good. You just need to give them like 2 minutes on each side and they're good to go. Once I remove them, I'm gonna go ahead and add my steamed mixed veggies, and that will complete my dish. I also have my rice cooking over on the other side. This is a very quick dinner and it's also very tasty, so if you're looking for quick dinners, this is an ideal one. And if you have never tried blackened fish before, go ahead and use this exact recipe. Your entire family will enjoy it, I promise you that. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and give it a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. And if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I will really appreciate it.